Hi. Um, Laser trade review namhlanje. So price action today um was also bearish. Nakhona on the daily. Looked for some setups around the lower time frames. The Big Nay, I think he daily, not really daily. I think he 4 hour PSP. Yeah, there was a 4 hour PSP to the upside, and I thought, okay, that was the shift in the move to like the upside level he anticipate available. But then price action, then after that reversed lower. And, but I did manage on go NY session ukuyenzani ukuya ku low to the entry chart and to find ilento liquidity zone which was in line with a bullish SMT. So that was strong confluence. My price action never came back into it. It just started, staying a bit higher. So ngizobona maybe kusasa the move can still play out. I don't know, or maybe I'll be looking for other moves to the upside. But yeah, that's it for today. Ngiyabonga muthatha isikhathi sokubuka le video and sharp.